Mr. Scott, what happens if the officer does not show up for court?
If you're charged with a citation for running a red light or running a stop sign, an incident where there isn't an automobile accident with other witnesses, the only witness is the police officer that gave you the ticket. If he doesn't show up in trial to testify against you, most likely you're going to get that ticket dismissed. However, you might need to raise the appropriate motion for lack of prosecution, and it should be granted. There might be some examples of why you're not going to get it dismissed. Perhaps an officer on a different ticket is sitting in the courtroom and says, "Judge, Officer Jones, I'm sorry, but he told me to tell you that he's in the other courthouse and he'll be here next week. Can you reset the case?" Well, sometimes the judge might be inclined to agree with that police officer and continue your case. If you have a traffic attorney with you, that attorney can raise the appropriate case law and statutory authority to argue against any motions for continuance and get your ticket dismissed. Keep in mind, this rule only applies in trial, and in some states, the courts will set a pretrial hearing before trial, and in those instances, the police officer does not have to show at the pretrial hearing.